Alec Blashka, Miss Brown's class. Alec was an engaged learner during our Google Meets. He always had a smile to share. Tate Johnson, Mr. Burr's class. Tate always has a smile on his face. He is a hard worker and is willing to try new things. He loves to learn. Stacy St. Germain, Miss Jennings' class. Stacy worked extremely hard during distance learning. The work and the videos she submitted during that time showed her excitement and her love for school. Her creativity and hard work really showed her cougar pride. Brennan McNulty, Miss Reested's class. Brennan worked really hard during distance learning. He was always on our Google Meets, shared ideas, and completed his work. Brennan follows the 4 R's at school and at home. Dominic Kylo, Mrs. Stone's class. Dominic works hard during our Google Meets and always has a smile on his face. He is kind, confident, and is willing to help his classmates. Blake Roberts, Mrs. Hess's class. Blake does a fantastic job in my classroom, always trying his best. He is so kind and is always willing to work with his group members. Hunter Nielsen, Mrs. Manning's class. Hunter is a positive leader in our classroom. He has a can-do attitude and does quality work. He is kind to his classmates and always has a smile to share. Olivia Tim, Miss Nelson's class. Olivia does her best in all she does. She works hard to succeed and never gives up. Greta Leichner, Mrs. Stein's class. Greta just loves to learn. She is always giving her best effort every day and all day. Her creativity inspires all of us. Eleanor Spenner, Mrs. Miller's class. Eleanor is a very conscientious worker and makes sure she asks questions while she is learning. She is kind, thoughtful, and creative. She has worked hard to become a great reader. Jackson Hanson, Mrs. Allison's class. Jackson is kind to everyone. He has a positive attitude and works hard at everything he does. He's a wonderful role model. Nick Lukey, Mrs. Hanson's class. Nick works hard to do his best work. He is conscientious about following the 4 R's and is a friend to all. Olivia Beggy, Mrs. Rands. Olivia works hard, participates in class, and is kind. Way to show your cougar pride, Olivia. Danica Mayville, Mrs. Jensen's class. Danica has continued to work hard virtually. She always welcomes her classmates to a morning meeting. She continues to ask questions when she is unsure and keeps a positive attitude. Emma Riegel, Mrs. Ebnett Dietz's class. Emma is on time and always brings her smile. She is always ready to participate and share in class. She has shown such great effort in her schoolwork. Way to go, Emma. Sammy St. Germain, Miss Letko's class. Sammy works hard to do her very best every day. She comes to school prepared with a positive attitude and is a role model for her classmates. Sammy is kind, helpful, and friendly. We are so lucky she is in our classroom. Nolan Backus, Mrs. Weir's class. Nolan has been a rock star at distance learning. He always shows up with a smile on his face. He has been working very hard at his reading, and it is paying off. He is cheerful and liked by all. Keep up the good work and positive attitude. It's contagious. Alexandra Spenner, Mrs. Sauer's class. Alex has worked so hard this year to make amazing progress. She completes her assignments on time and attends all her meetings. She is always ready to cheer on her classmates and participates during Google Meets. Easton Johnson, Mrs. Carr's class. Always willing to help during our Google Meets. Ready to share his screen, assist classmates, and answer their questions. Excited and motivated to join our Google Meet sessions. Consistently positive and flexible. Parker Munger, Mrs. Bartholomew's class. Parker is an eager participant and sets a positive example for his peers. Allie Sint, Mrs. Hamlin's class. Allie is hardworking and a great participant in our classroom. She has a positive attitude, is kind, and always has a smile on her face. Sydney Trutcham, Mrs. Quick's class. Sydney has an incredible spark that shines from within. She's thoughtful, positive, hardworking, and always has a fantastic attitude. Thanks for all the extra effort, sweetie. Beatrice and Penelope Young. Beatrice and Penelope have been doing a rock star job of learning remotely while on the road traveling around the U.S. with their family in an RV. They come to every class prepared and ready to learn. They participate and have fun with their classmates while working hard. Delaney Stemmig, Mrs. Parker's class. Delaney is regularly prepared, organized, and excited for learning each day. She works hard and asks questions to better understand what is being taught in the class. Delaney is responsible, kind, and helpful to other students. Jackson Welly, Miss Leish's class. Jackson is hardworking, participates, has a great sense of humor, and supports his peers every day. Brock Lewandowski, Mr. Matheson. Brock is consistently willing to put in the extra effort to learn and generally seems to enjoy doing it. Madison Orlett, Mr. Valentini's class. Madison has worked very hard during distance learning. She has consistently completed assignments on time and is always willing to participate during the live Google meetings. Catherine Knudsen, Mrs. Peltier's class. Catherine is diligent, energetic, positive, a leader, motivated, and is showing growth. Keep up the great work, Catherine. Drew Russell, Mrs. Helber's class. Drew is a hardworking student. He has consistently completed assignments on time, attends Google Meets regularly, takes on all challenges given to him, and participates with a positive attitude.